are going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, that is goal setting. We all have been using, particularly youngsters, using this Google Map, Google Route, to go from one place to different other places. Why have I selected this? This is same as your goal setting. What I'm going to talk about, goal setting, is nothing but this Google Map. You are at particular point A, you have to go to different places B, C, D, E, F, whatever it may be, and number of places. So at the beginning, you select which all places you want to go. The Google Map will show you different ways, different routes. You have an option to select with the toll, without the toll, the farthest, fastest, or the slowest. It also shows how many minutes it will take, how many kilometers it is there. It also shows where are the petrol pump, restrooms, etc., where you can take rest. This is same as what you need to do for your goal setting. You are at particular point. Today you have to decide which all goals you want to set up for your life, where you want to be, and which route you will apply. If you go via expressway, there will be toll. Toll in terms of your luxuries which you have to forego. That's all. Last time we discussed about 3 years of articleship. We discussed that the primary thing for you as an article clerk assistant is studies, studies, and studies. All 3 years you have to study, acquire practical knowledge. What do I mean by practical knowledge? Is about office culture, attitude, corporate personality. You should be looking like a manager, CFO of a company. Even during your articleship, don't wear t-shirt in the office. Wear tie if possible. If not tie, at least formal shirts and trousers. Develop managerial skill, leadership skill, work in a team. Take up the work assignment. Distribute to your juniors. Whatever task is difficult for you, consult your seniors. Understand technology, because this is the age of technology. You should be all-rounder. That's what we discussed. And at one stage, I told you that about your goals, we will discuss in the next session. So this is what the goal is about. At this juncture, ask, what are your dreams? You may be staying in a small house or a big house owned by your parents. Where do you want to be? What are your dreams? What do you want to achieve in your life? What is the purpose of your life? What do I want to be? Whether I want to be an accountant or maybe CFO, director, managing director, CEO, owner of a big CF firm, partner in a big CF firm, what I want to be. Why am I attending this or pursuing CA course? What is the purpose? Is just to gain the degree? Absolutely not. What is the purpose? The main thing you have to decide today is where you want to be after 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, so on and so forth. Decide your route to your life. Where do you want to see yourself? It's not wish, it is the goal. Goal means there should be fire within. You should be doing anything to achieve your goal. That's the fire within, and that's the goal. Wishful thinking, it's a daydreaming. You won't do any action. You have to carry on the action. So what we are going to talk about is the goal about your life. There are different types of goals. It may be related to education, which is there. your career, and financial. The goal could be, I want to clear my CA, that's education is over. What is your career, practice or job, and in job or in practice at what level, and what is your financial goals? It could be about health and fitness, relationship, family managing, travel. You may have dreams, you may have a change of attitude. That's maybe the goal. It can be manifold. It has to be multifold. The goal means SMART. In the sense, it should be specific. Write down what is the specific goal. Measurable. It should be measured. I will clear my exam. No, I will clear my exam with 65% of mark. Attainable. Don't assume I will get 100% of the mark. Attainable. Relevant to your life. Otherwise, it is a wishful thinking. Don't goal that I will go on the moon or Mars one day. Be relevant. And it has to be time bound. So you may have multiple goals. Write down by when you will complete this. So you may have a bigger goal, divide it into different parts. I want to have 100 crores after 20 years. Divide that. What? So don't wait till 20 years. What after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? What is your goal? To attain ultimate goal of 100 crores. Be specific in everything. To achieve this kind of goals, there are certain skill sets required. So what are the skill sets required? Which are the skill set you already have, which you need to acquire further? How are you going to acquire this further? Maybe you want to be CEO of one big, say, Tata Group. Possible. But to be CEO, just CA degree may not be sufficient. You have to acquire certain additional skills. Additional degrees may be required. Additional education may be required. So find out what is it required. Within time bound, SMART goal methodology, decide that you will gain extra degree by so and so. So that is another goal. Now to acquire extra degree, you may have to appear for written test and interviews. So you will have another goal to prepare for the interview, prepare for the written test. How are you going to all those things? Write it down. Prepare the time-bound plan to develop these particular abilities and skills. How are you going to acquire? When will you acquire? It's not going to be on the WhatsApp. And prepare your milestones. Evaluate all these goals at a certain point of time. Self-evaluation. Nobody is there to evaluate. Set up the radar system. That means just like Google Map, Google Route, if you take any diversion, it shows, it starts beeping, you are on the wrong route, take U-turn, take U-turn. So that's the way you should be setting up your radar system. So if you are on the right path, it will show as soon as there is a detour, it should start beeping. So at each stage, on each day, you have to find out whether you are on the path, whether this particular path, whether this particular road will lead me to my goal. If not, settle, think for a while, and decide what is a detour. Go back and change over. Go back to your main route. Decide how are you going to achieve your goal. Keep track of your goal, milestone, prepare the milestones. So clearing the exam, there are 8 subjects. One subject I'll complete by so and so date. Second, third, fourth, to complete one particular subject, define that particular subject means I will read textbook, I will read class book, notes, suggested questions and answers. All those things you decide. Those are your milestones with the time limit. Not before the exam. Divide it into day to day, month to month, week to week, quarter to quarter. You will definitely have barriers. Barriers are two types, internal and external. Internal are your own created by yourself, your own barriers, your bad habits, checking WhatsApp, talking to negative people, lack of self confidence, negative thinking. I cannot do this. I cannot do this. Those are all internal barriers. Just change your attitude and you will be on the right path. These internal barriers will be removed immediately. External barriers come from an external source, your friends. What is there in CA? Don't do it. There is no money. You will have to wake up till night. Lot of compliances issues, lot of these, that. Negative reports. CAs are doing this, blah, 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 blah. All those are external. Detach from all these things. Last time also I told you, no negative people around you. If you are surrounded by positive people, you will get positive energy. If you are surrounded by negative people, you will get negative energy. And that is the biggest barrier. Let external, worst scenario is the external barrier becomes the internal barrier. Because somebody told you, you are carried away, and that's how you lose your confidence. And you give up. Let me stop doing CA, I will start doing something else and start something new. That means whatever time spent by you till now is wasted. You should have, as that mentioned earlier, self-evaluation at each stage, whether you're on the right path. Discuss with your friends, families who are positive about you, who are ready to support you. Discuss with them. Plan it out. Write it down. What are the steps? First, write down the clear statement, what you want to achieve, smart way. Break it down, make it a plan. I want to acquire 100 crores, make it a plan. How are you going to acquire 100 crores? Prepare for the challenges, what that may come up during your journey. You know, Google Map, if there is a traffic, they will reroute to something else so that you reach destination, maybe little delayed, but you will reach destination. You will not get stuck when you are using Google Map. Same thing, prepare for the challenge. If there is any challenge, reroute, but your ultimate goal should be there. Monitor the progress. Google Map, what does it do? So many kilometers are complete. Now you are late by so many hours. You will reach, your original time was X. Now you will reach by X plus Y time, the new time. Evaluate and reflect on goal. Whatever you are doing, is it a reflection of your goal? Are you on the right path? Each stage you decide. And once you achieve milestone, one of the milestone, relax, celebrate. That's the time to celebrate. Not till, don't wait till you achieve the final goal. Each milestone you celebrate. Don't continue to celebrate, move on further. Continue to move. Again, because you have reached one city, you have to reach to the another city. My advice, surround yourself with the positive people. Plan for the future, but live one day at a time. Each day you have to decide, whatever I am doing, is it for the purpose? Will I achieve the goal? Is it on the right path? Each stage, like Google Map, study more effectively. It's not how many number of hours you are putting in studies. Effective, what is the effectiveness of the studies? Complete one chapter at a time. Don't complete 80% and leave 20% that I will do it tomorrow. Complete effectively. Be organized, and you will find more energy and clarity. You must be your own motivator. In your achieving goal, nobody else other than yourself should be the motivator. You may have guide, you may have counsel, you may have mentor to help you, to give you positive signal, but ultimately you have to be your own motivator. Don't lose your motivation. What are the advantages? Gives you long-term vision and the short-term motivation. Focuses on acquisition of knowledge, evergreen, always knowledge, knowledge, knowledge. Studies is one part, knowledge is another part. Knowledge imparts more of a practical training, practical use of the studies, that is knowledge. Helps in time management. You will organize your time because in a limited time you have to achieve something, so you will manage your time effectively and you will curtail non-effective activities. You will use the resources in the best possible manner. You will take pride when you achieve the goal. You will see forward progress. Yes, I have achieved here. Now I am on the path and I can see my goal ultimately. And it will raise your self-confidence. We'll continue more. Next time we'll take up what are the additional course that will help you in future. So to determine what is your goal as a student and what should be your career path, it may help you. I'll discuss various other things also. Dear friends, if you like this particular webinar, web tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, CA Mayur Choksi, on YouTube. Thank you. Good day. God bless you all. Like and subscribe YouTube channel Mayur Choksi. Thank you.